All right, hey everybody, it's Mayor Jane. We have some incredible initiatives going on today for Art on the Block. We have 6 different projects, intersections all over our city being painted with messages of unity, love, and togetherness.
3.
We are here just celebrating life with an intersection mural. We want to show and celebrate the intersectionality of people who might be black and queer, black and trans. We want to celebrate all these things and make it something that people can remember when they drive down the street.
I love to work with color and geometry. I think we're very lucky today. We have a great group of volunteers. When a group of people create something this special, that's a way of showing unity.
I enjoyed this project and I took it on because it's a community project. The title of it is Unity. I think it's just a great time to bring the people together. People have been coming all morning and they're still here volunteering. Unity is what's happening and we're bringing it alive on paint.